Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Red Magic Astra tablet isn't detecting your headphones. So if you're using a wired pair of headphones, the USB Type-C type of headphones, then first of all clean the charging port using a soft brush. So try to carefully wipe out any cloggage that could have got stuck in there, and after that plug your pair of headphones once again and try using it once again. And if this won't help you, then simply restart the tablet by holding down the power button, select restart. Make sure to use an original or an original pair of headphones or the certified ones, and also if they still aren't working with your tablet, then try another pair and see if maybe the headphones are check if the issue is not within the headphones themselves, or maybe in the compatibility with your tablet. And also make sure to update your tablet software, which is actually very important in both cases, whether or not your headphones are wired. So go to settings, go to system and update, check system update, and make sure that you have the latest software version. And if you don't, then download and install it, and maybe this will resolve your issue, as it commonly does. Now, if you are using a Bluetooth pair of headphones, then first of all try toggling Bluetooth on and off, which we can do, for example, in settings. Just toggle Bluetooth off, then toggle it on again. If you haven't paired your headphones yet, then make sure to put them in pairing mode before you do so. To do that, you usually have to press and hold some sort of power button or the button on the case of your headphones until the LED indicator on your headphones starts blinking rapidly. Then your Bluetooth device will appear on the list, and then you're gonna have to tap pair to pair it with your tablet, and from now on you'll be able to use it. But if you are already paired with it and still have this kind of issue, then tap on the gear icon next to your Bluetooth device and forget it, and then pair it once again. And if this won't help you, then what you can do is go to System and Update, then Reset Options, and then Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and tap Reset, and then try pairing your headphones by going to Bluetooth, re-enabling it, and then put your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode once again. Select them, allow them to pair with your device, and right now the issue should be gone. But yeah, I didn't warn you that after resetting networks, you're gonna have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and re-enter the password to it too. But that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.